आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone, so here's the question. Question says explain the different ways of apomictic seeds can develop and give an example. B says mention one advantage of the apomictic seeds for the farmers. C says draw a label Mentio diagram for the dicot embryo. So what do you mean by the apomictic seeds? Apomictic seeds are the seeds that can be produced without fertilization. So no fertilization will occur, still we get a seeds. It can be produced by two methods. First method is known as agamospermy. Agamospermy. So this method is called as the agamospermy. Second method is known as the adventive embryony. Second method is adventive embryony. So these are the two methods from which we can produce apomictic seeds. Now in the agamospermy, what happens? I'm going to take a diploid cell. So this diploid cell will be taken, and in this diploid cell no meiosis will be there. No meiosis will occur. Since no meiosis will occur, so what will happen? This will remain diploid only, and at the end I am going to form a seed. So this method is used for the production of the apple. This is used for the production of the apple. Second method, that is adventive embryony. In this, what happens? In this method, nucellus tissue is there around the developing embryo. Now this nucellus tissue, it starts extending and it enters into the embryo sac. It enters into the embryo sac. Now with the developing embryo, this tissue will develop also, and it will result into the formation of more than one embryo. At the end we will get more than one embryo, and hence this condition is called as the polyembryony. This is called as the poly means many, embryo will be there. This is called as the polyembryony condition, and this method is used for the production of the citrus fruits. All citrus fruits are produced with the help of this method. Now what is the advantage a farmer will get from this method? First advantage, the characters of the fruits or the plant will be maintained. Why? Because no fertilization is there. No fertilization, no variation, no change in the characters. As it is the character, if the fruit is sweet, from many generations I'm creating fruits, still that sweetness is maintained from this method. Second, this is a low cost method. This is a very low cost method. Third is that this method is very low cost and no so much of work has been done, but still the yield I am going to get will be very high. So it will result into a high yield as well. Overall, it is very effective method for the farmers. Third part of this question is asking for me to draw the diagram of the dicot embryo. So dicot embryo will consist of two cotyledon. So this is a cotyledon. Then it will consist of the hypocotyle region, okay, hypocotyle radicle, and then the root cap. So this is a root cap. This is a root cap. Above the root cap is covering or protecting the radicle. It is protecting a radicle in the embryo, and similar root cap will protect the root in the developed plant. This area is the hypocotyle. This is the hypocotyle region, and this area over here is the plumule. This is the plumule. Okay, this is the plumule. Plumule will form the future stem. And these two wing-like structure, these are called as the cotyledons. These are cotyledons. Okay. So this is the structure of the dicot developed embryo. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।